Hey everyone, I'm back with the video. Today we will be back on the Denfire server with another quick code tutorial. In this episode, I will be teaching you about loops and a couple of game actions. So first off, I'm going to show you how a loop works. We have to start it with a game action. So we put a game action here, and then we see this game action menu. And then we will start the loop using the start loop action. Then we go all the way back here, and then place another thing called the loop block. And this is after how many ticks it fires. So 20 would be 1 second. Let's say we want that to go down to half a second. So, and then we can place stuff on this loop, and then player action. Launch projectile, for example. We can just have it launch a snowball every half a second. So that's how a loop works. But I'm going to use it to set their hunger level. So we're going to go to set saturation level, and then ask for a number from 1 to 20, 20 being the full hunger bar. So I'll just have 20 in here. And then their hunger will always be the full hunger bar. And now, so that's our loop. And we also might want to disable flight so that helpers can't fly. That's what I always do when I make my plots. Sorry. So, yeah, I'm recording at like 8 in the morning here. So, let's say we want, when they right-click this fireworks star, to send off a snowball that will explode on impact. That's actually kind of easy compared to the stuff I do sometimes. And the if player, wait, let's just see if this is the right event. We have right-click, then if player is holding item fireworks star, then we player action launch projectile snowball. We need to give it a name, but that would be a problem since like grenade. If I name this grenade, then when it's being launched, you'll see the name. That's really annoying. You could also call it a color code like and1. Which is easier. And then I'll just grab the name, and then go over here to looks like I'm out of space here. I could have put a player event on the very edge, but that's going to be very annoying. So, to get more space on my plot, I do /plot code space, and then I have another full glass layer to put my blocks on. So then do player event, projectile hit, and then we use our if entity block. If entity name equals, then we use our color code name, and then we do game action explosion, then we'll grab its location, but to grab the entity's location we have to shift and right click, and then we have all these relative locations, and then we can grab location entity, and then we also need a number for the power of the explosion. So let's just do like power 2, for example. Let's try it out. Okay, so I have built this little point here, and we're going to be using this for a launch toward action, using another block in our inventory. So the launch toward action allows you to launch the player toward a location, and that will So here's what I mean. Let's just say grab a golden nugget, put it in here, and then let's say when they left click the golden nugget, we want them to launch toward the location. So if player is holding item golden nugget, player action launch toward, and it access a location and a number. The number is the power, as you saw in the last episode. So we're going to grab the location, and then right click our block because this is the point we want them to launch to. Don't put it in here. We'll grab our number for the power. Let's just say 10. So like no matter what direction I'm facing, I will always launch toward the point. Like if I face this way, if I just look at the dev area, it's still gonna launch me toward the point. So also you can like with Emperor rank, which is a premium rank you can buy on the server. It's like $40 I think. You should buy it during a sale. Anyway, you can use like inventories in it. So let's just move these items to the side. Grab an iron ingot. Rename. And GUI. So now we have our GUI item, and then let's say when we right click this, if player is holding item, we will show an inventory, and then this screen will pop up when it happens. So let's just say I make it pop up this block, and then we have to go to a new event to detect when the player clicks that item in the inventory. So player event, click item. If player not is holding clicked item equals, then we put the item in there, and then we just player action play sound. I'll just play like a mule sound when that's clicked. So let's have a GUI. Yeah, so it'll play our mule sound. So that's gonna be it for this episode of Quick Code Tutorials. If you liked it, then please leave a like on the video. And if you like, oh my god, sorry, I got up like 2 hours ago. So like, if you like my content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'm not making any money off my videos, but still subscribe to my channel because this is what I do to keep from like being super bored all the time. And subscribe.